Ayatutuka ono, ayatutuka se. Msu Tor Tiv Chi, yangi nyane, His Royal Majesty, o Chiviri Professor James, o Tesi, yozwa ayate CFR, angoho hemunu Mbakangen iyav, u poloshi, u vesinsha Abuja, bi zende zoro winyo hikwato yangi nyane, Ishako Muhammad, asu Tor Tiv, manko olu no vulwemi wa olu hi Tor Tiv ya, secreto siongwane.
His Royal Majesty, I'm here in Benue State today on official assignment from the Inspector General of Police to review the security operation, boost the morals of our officers, and consolidate strategies for lasting peace across the state. The Nigerian Police Force holds the view that no security plan can succeed without the blessing and partnership of the traditional institutions. The Tor Tiv as a pillar of peace, you are a symbol of unity of Tiv land, the chairman of Benue State Council of Chiefs, and the father of all. Your voice has consistently called for peace. Your Royal Majesty, the challenges of insecurity, communal clashes, and youth restlessness require united fronts. The police can deploy personnel and equipment, but only the traditional rulers' institution can truly mobilize hands and minds. I therefore seek the Tor Tiv support to encourage Chief sons and daughters to volunteer credible information to security agencies. If you see something, say something. Please be assured that Nigerian Police Force, under the leadership of the Inspector General of Police, remain committed to protect lives, property, and the cultural heritage of the Tiv land. May your reign continue to bring honor, stability, and progress to Tiv land. May your wisdom continue to guide Benue State and Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless Tiv land. God bless Benue State, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Bra Tiv angoho Mbakangen yamba assembly, she navem kan madido, nave tendezwa, she o vegbuna uwen, Tor Tiv shahemonu consul Tiv jiminchi, velu suenve, she rintomvevia.
I want to warmly welcome the DIG to the palace together with his very powerful delegation. And going along with the purpose for which the DIG has visited Benue, I believe that security situation will take a different turn. My kingdom happens to be one of those that have been under very serious torment through different attacks and uncountable number of afflictions over the decades. It is significant that you are coming at a point that we have a new commissioner of police. We have had challenges, very serious challenges, which I believe you are very much aware of. But I want to assure you that we are very willing and ready to fully cooperate with officers and men under you to ensure that we'll put the security challenges behind us. Yes, in your speech you asked for cooperation, for partnership, and for the traditional institution to make available to you the intelligence information that they may have. I want to assure you that we will continue to do it. We've been doing it faithfully. The structure of the traditional institution in Benue State and in my kingdom is in such a way that we are down to grassroots. Every hamlet is under a particular traditional ruler. So we can easily get information, even from places that are not easily accessible because of the terrain, and we'll make it available to you for your purpose.
Bra Tiv Kenge, wan shino hemen, Mbakangen ya wasun wan Ishako Muhammad, awon yori Tiv, shanja Tiv kaviye kwa aveyo, wan shun welu AIG, Morris Dankobo, Anam Kanema Sisu, Tor Tiv Kiki.
We are grateful. We thank you first for the warm reception you have given to us. We know that you are a very, very busy person, but because of the importance of this visit, you granted us audience. We thank you. We appreciate you.
The DIG in charge of training and development, DIG Isiaku Muhammad, is also the coordinating DIG for North Central Geopolitical Zone, Nigeria. He's here on an assessment visit to Benue State. He's going to map out the area and devise strategies. And as he goes back to meet the management team at the force headquarters, he will devise strategies to manage security in Benue State.
How effective do you see law enforcement agents and traditional rulers? How do you see their partnership? How effective do you see?
Wonderful relationship between the traditional institute in Benue State and the police. The relationship exists, and the DIG has only come to strengthen what has existed over the years. We have had robust relationship with the Tor Tiv himself, his first class, second class, and other chiefs across the state. Benue has been on the globe for so many reasons, but why the DIG is here is to ensure that certain locations that have been identified as flash spots, very difficult locations, are clearly mapped out, and issues of equipment, personnel, and all of that is handled to make security management in Benue State very easy.
My name is DIG Isiaku Muhammad. I'm DIG in charge of training and development and the coordinating DIG in charge of North Central. Well, I want Nigerians and especially the people of Benue State to understand that the new Inspector General of Police is committed towards whipping all forms of crime and criminality in Nigeria. He has been so passionate about it, and that is why he sent us down to come and meet with the grassroots so we can give him first-hand information to enable us strategize and plan towards effective policing.
Quickly, before we go, from your engagement with the king, do you see your visit as being successful?
Oh, very, very well. Very, very well. He's somebody I have been looking at a distance. I've seen as a mentor and a role model. As I said it to him, I watched his coronation live on international television. I never knew that one day I would have the opportunity to be in the palace. He's somebody I admire because I imagine a professor leaving the comfort of the university to come and confine himself to service to the people. And people like him will certainly make changes in leadership.
Thank you very much, sir, for your time, and we wish you a safe journey as you could travel back.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.